this is Philip Nidlinger, KA4KOE, and I'm out here at range day because I'm on furlough and not working yet. It's the government shutdown. I'm out here with my friend Steve, W4IJ, Steven, and he's sweeping up some of our brass off the ground, and range is cold right now. One of the other people's out there adjusting his target. He's way out there, I think like 400 meters, I don't know. He's out there quite a bit. But what else are we going to do? Can only play so much radio. So this is KA4KOE with electromagnetic mischief. Be back with you in a few. Huh.
Or any of these, for the most part, will probably take up. So you have to take up, rest your finger on the trigger, and then squeeze. When you squeeze, right back straight toward you. No rotation, no snappy squeeze. You want it to almost come to
Hey Steven,
Hey!
This is W4IJ. He's my POTA buddy. We didn't want to do potarizing today, so we've been shooting, and he's been sweeping up brass, and we're not even finished banging yet.
Burning gunpowder.
Smokeless powder.
There we go.
Smokeless powder. So we just had breakfast together. I've done a lot of POTA activations with Steven, and we just decided we needed to pop a few caps today.